Before you buy a kitchen sink, watch this. Dear friends, buying a kitchen sink seems simple, until you realize you'll use it every single day. The wrong choice can lead to scratches, stains, noise, and constant frustration. That's why choosing the right sink is more important than most homeowners think. First, think about the material. Stainless steel is affordable, durable, and easy to maintain. Composite granite offers a premium look and resists scratches well. Fireclay sinks are beautiful and timeless but can be heavier and more expensive. Next, consider the size. A sink that's too small makes washing large pots difficult. One that's too big can reduce valuable countertop space. Always choose a size that matches your kitchen layout and cooking habits. Now decide on the bowl style. Single bowl sinks provide plenty of room for large cookware. Double bowl sinks let you wash and rinse at the same time, making multitasking easier. Don't forget the installation type. Top mount sinks are easier and less expensive to install. Undermount sinks create a seamless countertop that's easier to clean but usually costs more to install. Depth matters too. Deep sinks hide dirty dishes and reduce splashing, but they may require more bending. A medium-depth sink often provides the best balance of comfort and functionality. Finally, pay attention to soundproofing, drain placement, and warranty. These small details can make a big difference in everyday use. A kitchen sink isn't just another fixture, it's one of the hardest working parts of your home. Choose wisely today, and you'll enjoy years of convenience, durability, and hassle-free cooking. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.